What comes in your mind when you think like you want a go-to meal when you are back from work and you want a like really quick meal? Whenever I go to work or whatever, whenever I feel like I want to eat something spicy, ramen is the first option. So I don't know much more history about like ramen, but through some research I found out that so ramen was originated in China. If I'm wrong, just correct me in the comment. And then now more popular in Japan and Korea. And obviously, it's being Asians, I'm from Nepal, but I do eat ramen a lot. And I can guarantee more of the Nepalese people as well eat ramen a lot. So I'm gonna make a really good ramen recipe, a cheesy ramen today. So let's cook together. By the way, I just want to stop you for a while. Why I'm making ramen today is you can hear the noise from the background. It's raining a lot and obviously I feel like having something hot. So let's go. Okay, I have got all the ingredients ready here. I'll let you know while cutting. Let me grab chopping board and we'll go with this side of the knife. Alrighty. So I've got salads here, onion and capsicum, and I've got some coriander and some more chilies for the spicy ramen. Let me start with salad. Okay, so there are different ways of having ramen. So somebody have it soup, somebody fried. So there might be different ways for you as well, but I'm gonna make a fried ramen this time. Let's cut onion. Hopefully I won't cry. If you want to ever cry in life and you are a happy person, just cut onion. You can see my tears at the moment. All right, so this one is capsicum like I mentioned before. Let's get that part out. Just chop as fine as you can. Now I'm already all blurry, I can't see because of the tears. Also, you don't have to, if you are like meat lover, you don't have to add all the veggies as well. You can eat as much as meat you like, you can add. Almost done with all the veggies cutting. And I just like to keep the, I don't know what you call it, the steam of the chilies, so I can hold it and eat it later when I get the ramen ready. Okay, there you go, all the cuts ready. You can add as much as vegetables you like, whatever you prefer. Let's boil our very own ramen. So obviously we need some water to boil. So, and I've already boiled this water so that this will be quick if you want to save your gas amount, I guess. Alrighty. And I've got this in ramen noodle soup. This is chicken flavor. So you will get a lot of different sort of ramen out in the market. I've tried, I think, pretty much of it, and this was the very own taste of mine when I tried it first time. So this is my favorite one compared to other one, maybe because I tried it first and this has already stick onto my tongue now. So let's boil it. So I just broke it in half because it won't fit it in my pot. It boil until your ramen is like this, fully cooked. And if it is detached, and it won't take much more time to get it cooked, and it's cooked. Let's drain it. Turkey, I've got drainer here, and we just drain, let the water drain like all your worries and faults. There you go, that's drained. You can see that's drained. I'm turning up the gas again, and pan, heat the pan, and just adding a little bit of oil. I'm just saying little bit, but it looks a lot in the video, but I swear we will need this much of oil for 2 ramen, because we have got some veggies to cook. And don't ask me why am I doing this. This is just my habit. I'll tell you one trick, Asian way to know how the oil is heated or not. So if you have got anything you're cooking, I've got that onion slice here, put that in. Look, you can hear that sound. That means it's heated. So now let's go. I'm just adding some chopped onion, and I'll add that capsicum all together. Fry it for a while. And I'm adding some extra bit of chili. Frying it a bit as well. Now time for our very own ramen to go on that heated pan. Oh, it is hot. Now, so this is the vegetable that we get in the packet in ramen. So I'm just adding that. As I already mentioned, safe out there, don't judge me. Instead, teach me in the comment how to stir or cut properly, okay? Okay, I'm just adding the soup mix that we get in the packet. So with the soup, you can add as per your taste. But I'm adding all of it because I'm obviously a chili lover and I like spicy. Mix, mix, mix. And mix your ramen with that soup until it turns red like this. You must be drooling. If you are watching this, this is your sign to have a very spicy ramen. This is all ready to eat, but one twist. I'm adding some cheese to make it a very cheesy ramen. And in a low heat, look at that. If you are a cheese lover, definitely I bet you will go for cheesy ramen. Alright, as the ramen is already hot enough and it is heated up, so you don't have to cook it now. Just turn off and let it melt it by itself. Oh my god, this looks really yummy. Look at that cheese. Now, I'm so ready to eat already. Oh God. Look at that. Moment of truth. So I have made it ready, plated it. all the garnishes here that I cut before, shallots and coriander. And you may know how to boil egg. If you don't know, then ask me, I will do another video. Okay, so okay, so how do you like our videos? Keep watching and let me know if you need any other recipes. We'll try my best. Me, Animes, you have seen our video. So we'll try our best to do as much as we can using our own homemade materials. And then do like, share, comment, subscribe our channel as well. Bye.